What if I told you that you could make $70 an hour, working from anywhere in the world without needing advanced skills or a hefty investment? Sounds too good to be true, right? But with the rise of AI tools like MidJourney, this is no longer a dream. It's a reality. In this video, we'll dive deep into how you can use MidJourney to create stunning digital art and turn it into a thriving income stream on platforms like Etsy. Stay tuned, because this could be the side hustle you've been searching for. Introduction to MidJourney. MidJourney is a cutting-edge AI tool that generates jaw-dropping digital art. What makes it so special? Unlike traditional art tools, it doesn't require any artistic background. You simply feed it a description, known as a prompt, and within seconds it churns out visually captivating artwork. With the growing demand for unique and high-quality digital products, platforms like Etsy are flooded with buyers searching for creative pieces. This is where you step in. By leveraging MidJourney to create digital downloads, you can tap into a lucrative market while letting AI do most of the heavy lifting. If this sounds intriguing, let's get started with Step 1. Step 1. Setting up MidJourney. Before you can begin, you'll need access to MidJourney. Here's how you can get started. First, sign up for Discord. MidJourney operates on Discord, a free communication platform. Head over to discord.com to create an account if you don't have one. Second, join MidJourney's server. Visit midjourney.com and click on Join the Beta. This will direct you to their Discord server, where you can start experimenting with the tool. Third, choose a plan. While there's a free trial, subscribing to one of MidJourney's paid plans is recommended for unlimited access. Prices start at $10 per month, but for serious hustlers, the standard plan at $30 offers the best value. Take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the platform. Try generating a few practice prompts to get a feel for how the tool works. Once you're comfortable, you're ready to move to the next step. Step 2. Choosing your niche. The key to succeeding on Etsy is to focus on a niche that's in demand. Broadly speaking, these are some of the most popular categories. Wall art. Think abstract, nature-inspired, or modern designs that people can download and print for their homes. Pair your AI-generated visuals with motivational or funny quotes. Digital stickers. Trendy, minimalist designs that planners and journaling enthusiasts love. Event invitations. Elegant designs for weddings, birthdays, and more. To find inspiration, explore Etsy's bestsellers. Look for patterns, colors, or styles that resonate with buyers. Notice the little details that make a product stand out. These could be your key to success. Once you pick your niche, stick to it initially. Consistency helps build your brand and makes it easier for buyers to find your shop. Step 3. Creating art with MidJourney. Here's where the magic happens. To create your first piece of art with MidJourney. First, crafting a prompt. Your success depends on how well you describe what you want. Be specific. For example, instead of flower art, try vintage botanical illustration, watercolor style, soft pastel colors, high detail. The more detailed your prompt, the better the result. Second, refining your image. Once MidJourney generates a batch of images, you can upscale your favorite or request variations to get closer to your vision. Don't settle until you're completely satisfied. Third, downloading your artwork. Once finalized, download your masterpiece and save it to your computer. It's now ready to be transformed into a product buyers will love. Experiment with different prompts and styles to diversify your portfolio. This will give buyers more options and increase your chances of making a sale. Step 4. Preparing your artwork for Etsy. Raw AI-generated art is great, but to maximize its appeal, you'll need to polish it. First, edit and resize. Use free tools like Canva to crop and adjust the dimensions of your artwork. Common sizes include 8x 10 inches for wall art or 1080x 1080 pixels for social media templates. Second, add text or personalization. Want to create printable quotes? Overlay your designs with stylish typography. Canva offers a wide range of free fonts to choose from. Third, save in high resolution. Ensure your files are saved in high-quality formats like PNG or PDF. This guarantees that your customers receive crisp, professional-looking downloads. Consider offering multiple file formats or sizes in your Etsy listings. This small touch adds value and makes your product more appealing. Step 5. Setting up your Etsy shop. Now that your designs are ready, it's time to sell them. Setting up an Etsy shop is simple. First, create your shop sign up at Etsy.com and follow the prompts to open your shop. Be sure to choose a memorable name that reflects your niche. Second, upload your listings. For each product, write an engaging title and description. Use keywords like AI-generated art or printable wall decor to improve searchability. Third, price. Strategically. Most digital downloads sell between $5 to $20. With zero production costs, even a single sale can yield a significant profit. Create bundles or offer discounts for customers who purchase multiple items. Step 6. Promoting your shop. Simply listing your products isn't enough. You'll need to market them to stand out. Social media. Share your designs on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. These platforms are goldmines for attracting buyers. For example, create a quick reel showing the creation process in MidJourney. People love behind-the-scenes content. Collaborations. Partner with influencers in the home decor or journaling niche to showcase your products. Encourage reviews. Positive reviews boost your credibility and increase your shop's visibility. Offer incentives, like small discounts on future purchases, to encourage customers to leave feedback. Consistency in promotion is critical. Even spending 30 minutes a day engaging with potential customers on social media can significantly boost traffic to your shop. Step 7. Scaling your business. Once you start seeing sales, it's time to level up. First, expand your offerings. Add seasonal designs such as Christmas-themed art, or venture into new niches like travel posters. Second, automate fulfillment. Use print-on-demand services like Printful to handle physical products like posters or mugs. This eliminates the hassle of printing and shipping. Third, explore other platforms. Don't limit yourself to Etsy. Sell your designs on Creative Market, Redbubble, or even your own website. Scaling also involves reinvesting in better tools or experimenting with premium features on MidJourney to unlock even more creative potential. The best part? You don't need to be an artist or spend years mastering complex tools. With AI and a bit of creativity, you're already ahead of the game. If this video inspired you to start your own side hustle, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on leveraging technology for financial freedom. And let us know in the comments what kind of art you'd create with MidJourney. We'd love to hear your ideas. Now go out there, turn your creativity into cash, and make your side hustle dreams a reality.